What are the slopes of the asymptotes? Well, I always say the rise over the run is the way to go here. And if you look at the denominator of each of these guys, one's under the y, one's under the x. And the y is usually traditionally the rise and the x is the run. So you take the square root of each of these numbers, and the square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 25 is 5. Plus or minus 6 over 5 is the slopes of the asymptotes. The center is h and k. It's 0, 0. It's kind of nice that we didn't have to do any much more than that. Is it horizontal or vertical? Well, the y value is the positive one, so that means it's going to open upward and downwards. That means it's vertical. Coordinates of its vertices, well, that is the distance we're traveling from the center to the vertices. It's always the positive kind of unit, so it's going to be up and down 6 units. So 0, 6, and 0, negative 6 are the equations of the vertices. Along that line, we may as well do this. It's another similar situation. It's another hyperbola, but you're basically looking at the center. Instead of 0, 0, you've got a k value here. So it's 0, 1. Okay, we're changing the sign of the y value associated with the y, which is the k, and there's nothing here. So it's 0, 1. It is, in this case here, also vertical because the y value is still squared. Okay, but the distance up and down then is from here now instead. So you're going to go up a distance of 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to put a dot there. You're going to go down 3 from there. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot there. Okay, now in addition, you're going to go back and forth 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not vertices, but they help you create this box that then in turn helps you draw the asymptotes that, oh, by the way, have a slope of rise over run 3 over 4, plus or minus. Okay. Again, vertically speaking, we're going to come from here and we're going to go and approach the asymptotes without actually getting there. There you go. Your vertices then, as we can see here, are going to be above and below, so the y value is changing. 0, 4 is 3 units up from the 1, and 3 units down would be 0, negative 2.